Alright guys, this is my next project. It's a 2-drawer Craftsman toolbox. You got it, I'm pretty sure I got this at the flea market. They were wanting 15, I think I paid 5 for it. It's not the best shape, but I'm gonna sand it down. The drawers are really rough. Give it a good sanding, good clean up. Fix the rails. This one's stuck, it won't come out that far. Taking it all apart. But yeah, I think what I'm going to do is clean that up. I think I got enough Craftsman tools to fill it with just Craftsman and stick it in my truck. Got a toolbox in my truck's a little smaller than this one. I'd like a little bigger one. So anyways, we'll see how this turns out. I think I'm going to use a wire wheel on the inside and some of the drawers, and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, we'll be right back. Let's see these drawers, get these apart. Bent a little bit. Clean up though. I think it'll be alright. Yeah, this one's messed up. This one's even worse. Oh man. I don't know if this is worth cleaning up or not. That side's loose. There we go. That one's even bent worse. It'll work on that one. These trays were full of water at one time, looks like. Inside's rusted. It's pretty solid, but it's rusty if you can see it. Man, why do people do that? Now the trick is getting these out. There's a little tab on the inside you can push. Well, I say that. Looks like a spider's made his nest in here too. There we go. Maybe tap that one a little too hard. There we go. Holy smokes. There's the rails, sticky and dirty. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, these are gonna have to be bent back into shape a little bit, cleaned up. That's stuck down in there. Let's see what we can do now. I'm just gonna run the wire wheel over a little bit. I'm gonna use a electric drill. I don't use an electric drill very often, but I don't have any wheels for my Dremel, for my 4.5-inch grinders. I was gonna use this. Well, probably help my dumb ass if I put it on the right way, right direction. Well, I'm going to try to get off this off here, and I'll start the video back up when I get close to finish with wire wheeling and show you what I got. I want to show you guys the sanding the bottom of the flat disc. That's all I can do because the wire wheels will get it. So the rust is bad. I'll try the best I can. I don't like to sand the rest of it. Try to get as much of the rust inside out as I can. All right, I'll go from there. Alright guys, I don't know how this video is going to come out, but got a couple of dings and dents I want to take out. Have the best tools for this, but I'm trying. pretty good dent down here. Right there is a dent pretty good. Let's see here. Something to put underneath there. What I need is a left-handed person. Pushed out a little too much now. That's a little better. Hard to see what I'm doing. Right there is just difficult. It's in the right at the corner edge. Well, it's probably the best I can do with what I've got. I need a little brush. No toothbrush will work. I'm gonna have a hard time getting to that dent right there. Stretch that metal too much and you're not getting it back unless you heat it. Well, that one's not bad. That's actually pretty good. I'm doing the, I'll show you. Put this down. I've got a, that's what you use. Some body tools. It's been a long time since I've done body work. Don't take a lot of force. Need somebody to hold the lid for me is what I need. That's better. Leave it alone pretty quick here because I'm almost stretching too much. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. It's the bottom of the box. I had to use that flap disc. There's so many scratch or rust on it. There's a little dent right there. I'm not sure if I'm going to mess with that. Metal's kind of thin and it's really hard to get inside that lip. I got to work on trying to clean the inside now. No. I guess I'm just going to have to sand that by hand. There's not a whole lot to do in there that I can really work on. Anyways, I'll turn it on in a little bit. I'm burning up. I can smell. Not burning. All right. We'll turn back. This one's got getting in. That's all right. Once I clean it up, I'll try to polish it a little bit, but that's pretty bad. Anyways, looks good. I'll do some cleaning, some sanding on. Start the video a little bit. Now I was going to show you all a little bit of cleaning the rails. Favorite carburetor cleaner. Look at that. Clean this up before I start sanding on the inside and the rest of it by hand. Nasty. Oh well. I guess if people took too good a care of their items, I wouldn't get good purchases. Little Craftsman toolbox for $5 isn't bad. Let's clean it up pretty good. So most of this life now, after I get it all done, I'm gonna just leave it in the back of I've got a box in the back of my truck, just set that there. Oh, the weather, it's weather tight, so I don't have to worry. Plus I just can't leave my tools sitting in it. I just can't do it, I'm sorry. Take better care of my stuff, especially tools. I don't know about you guys, but tools either make money or save me money, one of the two. It's just nice to have good tools. Keep cleaning and come back when I have a little more to show you. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of sanding. I'm going to hand sand it all. I wish I could put this in my sandblasting cabinet, but one, the sandblasting cabinet is kind of small for this, and 2, it's a Harbor Freight cabinet, and that cabinet sucks. It never worked right from the beginning. So, I think this hinge, I'm going to have to use a wire wheel on it a little bit. Can't get in there very well. That Dremel tool, it stinks. I burned it up pretty good. Yeah, it's looking better. That Dremel tool, it stinks. I burned it up pretty good. Yeah, it's looking better. I'm going to hand sand it all, and then I'm going to use a heavy primer. I've got some red that I think it's a Massey Ferguson red, I think. Might use that. Oh, I'm thinking I'm going to cover that Craftsman with some tape. I'll be right back. Alright, I covered up the Craftsman logo with some tape. I really didn't need to save it, but my goal is to fill this with Craftsman tools. It's just old used Craftsman tools, so I want a old used Craftsman toolbox. Well, next time I turn the camera on, hopefully I'll be ready to shoot primer.